Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I was actually just looking through my pulling out papers from my old planner, and not today, but we're going to be doing a video on setting up my new planner that's not with me right now, but my new mini, it's already kind of set up, but we're going to redo it and just kind of freshen it up because I was pulling the inserts from this one, which I do kind of miss already. Like, I just feel sad that she's not my planner right now, because the squad goals I was in love with it, so I moved it on. But today what I want to talk about is if you're new to planning, or even if you're not new to planning, if you just don't know the things that are like the most valuable, I wanted to go over what I feel like are the most important sticker books currently on the market. So this is going to probably change pretty frequently because they come out with so many new sticker books that it's very hard to choose, but I'm going to give you the ones that I feel like I could not live without. So if you're new to my channel, please make sure to subscribe and so you don't miss any future content. And if you're returning, well, welcome back. I'm so glad to have you. So let's get started. Okay, so as I'm shuffling through, while this video is not necessarily dedicated to any particular type of planner, I feel like it's important to show you. This is a old spread I did, just kind of more, this was kind of in the earlier stages of February of planning, and I don't use my mini as much, but this was one that I did. So as you can see, I like to decorate heavily, although those stickers I'm going to show you are more for the classic size planner and not for the mini, that I feel like are important, but they could be used universally between them. But so stickers are very important to me. I love, love, love them. But at the same time, choosing the right ones are important. So I just feel like it's kind of one of those ever-changing things. And the stickers that I do feel like are here are not my favorites necessarily, but they're the ones that I feel like if you had to choose no others, these are the ones that would get you through. So if you are new to planning, this is essential to you. If you are older to planning but you don't have all the stickers you want, these are the ones I feel like would bring you the most value. So I'm going to start off with the productivity sticker book, and I'm not going to do a full flip through of it, but I'm just going to kind of show you a few stickers from it. What I love about this sticker book is that it has, not only does it have like schedules and hours, it does have some blank boxes and some to-dos, but it has a little bit of everything. And I feel like that's really important when you're trying to, fill a gap of not having a ton of sticker books or anything like that. So I feel like this one's really important. It also has these hourlies, which are great if you want to pull them out and make your day an hourly day, or even just an hourly insert for the day. So I feel like that's really important. I'm going to probably have to use these a little bit next week. And then it also even has a little bit of like your fitness section, which I feel like if that's something you're interested in, you want to use, this is really great to have that in there, but not overwhelming the whole sticker book. So, which I am doing the majority, but it just has a lot of great stickers in it that are easy, that can be used universally, but at the same time, if you are a productive person, or if you have a really busy life, it fits great for you. So this one's on my list for the top, I think I'm going to show you like 3 or 4, but the top ones that I feel like you should hang on to. All right, the second one, this one is kind of one of my favorites, but also I don't use it a ton, but it's well, actually I do use it a ton. It's the colorful boxes. I feel like this is one of the smartest sticker books that Mambi has ever made because it literally fills a need. It creates very, very functional stickers that also make it fun and look great while you're planning. So it's not just about what's on there. It's about just kind of how they have it. I think this is a great thing. So it's a way to decorate your spread without taking away the functionality of it. And it also goes great with anything. And it's for anyone. And there's no level of planning that can't incorporate this. And there's no style that doesn't need it. And so I feel like this is probably one of the smartest books that was made. So if none other, if you had to pick one sticker book out there, this would be the one I would suggest that you'd use. Well, sort of. I take that back. I think it is one of the probably one that is very important and you should get. But if you are not necessarily just wanting some more icons and stuff, then that's where we get into my third choice. Okay, so my third choice is the tiny sticker book. And the reason why is because I'm in love with it. But it literally has a little bit of everything in it also. But at the same time, it gives you a little bit of everything, and they're tiny, and so they can be really functional, but they're super fun, and there's lots of room for them. So I encourage you to get this one. I have loved it. I will get another one. There's certain sticker pages, like, let's go to the coffee sticker pages. Where is it? All of, it's right around here, I think. Where is it? I'm gonna find it, guys. I would have thought it would have been here already. So that was by the food. I thought it was higher than this. Where is it? Oh, there it is. Alright, so as you can see, like, this one's almost gone. I use a lot of coffee stickers. But it's almost gone. So it's kind of sad. Like, I might buy a whole other sticker book of that just for the coffee stickers because I love it so much. Even though I haven't used the rest of them yet, but like, that was the ones I really love. And I really love the coffee because Adulting is Hard sticker. Like, I could use that a bunch of times. Love it. But I encourage you to get this one. This one is great. However, an alternative to this one, so I don't think these need to be used together, but I think if you wanted to pick one, I feel like the student sticker book is very similar to that. It obviously has a little bit more student-y type stickers, but it has a very similar small icon, super fun, lighthearted. You can use in any planner, any type of level. You don't have to be big, small, large, or the large, classic, and mini. It does not have to pick, but it can be used in any of them. And although it's a student planner, I really don't necessarily feel like it's geared towards students or anyone else in particular. So I think if you are thinking about either one or the other, both are great. This one does not have coffee cups in it, so I was a little sad about that, but it does have ice cream cones, so that's kind of, you know. But either one, not necessarily both in conjunction together. I mean, of course, the more stickers, like, bring them on. Like, there's never enough. But if you had to pick one, I would say that the tiny I like a little bit more, but this one's also really great. So if you had to pick one of the two would be great. And don't just automatically assume because it's a student that it's not for everyone, because it could be. Okay, and then the last but very much not least is this little mini seasonal sticker book. I don't know if this is going to be something that Mamby's going to continue, or the Happy Planner. They just changed their name, so excuse me. Is something that they're going to continue to do on, like, a full, like, I don't know if this is like a regular stocked product now or if this is like a temporary thing, but if it isn't, pick it up. Joann's is where I've seen them in store, or I think you can buy them on the site. I have not seen them in Michael's or Hobby Lobby. Just to give you the rest of the idea, though, I think the rest of these are all available at Michael's. And I don't think Hobby Lobby has some of these, and I don't think that Joann's has all of these. So these are all available at Michael's. Okay, so yeah, this sticker book, the reason why sticker pad, the reason why I feel like it's so valuable is because it's not a bank breaker. If you use one of the coupons, you could get it as low as like $2. And it has the full boxes in it, which I love to plan with, but it's not. Now, this would be more for your classic, but you could use it in your mini too. It's not overwhelming, but it just gives you a little bit of some really super fun stickers and how they incorporate together. It's just really great. So you can have it while you're working on bridging your other collection. So I feel like if you know, I'm not sure, obviously everyone has their own budget of what they can afford, or you could be like me and budget and then just spend more than you should anyway. But this is, this one is probably, I'm going to say in most cases, not going to break the bank. So you can go pick it up and still work on your other ones, but it gives you a lot of stickers. So it'll give you time to get through them. And I can promise you that as we're approaching, like, it's still summer. And so I probably still could incorporate some of these. Like, obviously, we're just now entering summer. It's still summer. It was like summer a day ago, but it's been really hot where I live, so it's felt like summer. But I always say summer, I love summer because it means that fall is the next season. That's why I love summer. So these fall stickers are going to be like, it's going to look like it threw up fall. In December, oh my gosh, it is going to look like nutso in December. So be on the lookout for that, because I go a little crazy in December. Frankly, I go a little crazy in like November, and it will be super fun. So anyhow, back to the point of the story. I feel like this sticker book is super, super fun because it gives you a little bit of everything and still being cheap. So if I had to pick my current top favorites of the things I feel like you can't live without, I think the productivity sticker book is a little bit for everything. I feel like the colorful boxes has enough functionality and can go in any of the planners that you have, whether it is large, medium, or small. And then I feel like the tiny or the student one make a really good fun filler one, along with the little mini seasonal sticker book. So yeah, so, and also I think that that's important for people, like I said, who are just starting their collection of the stickers, or if you don't already have these already, I think you should pick these up because these are great. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I also hope that if you know of anyone who's not a planner and you feel like they could benefit from it, I found like the best way to do that is just to give someone a planner, whether it's a hand-me-down that you haven't used or one that you have. I'm probably going to be giving this to a friend of mine just to try it out and see if she likes it after I empty my stuff out of it. And it's going to be great. It's going to work out great. So if you do that, make sure, and then you can let them know about this video and see if any of those stickers attract them. So I hope you enjoyed this. Can't wait to see you next time. I think we're going to do something really fun this next week. I'm going to give you a little bit of an office tour at some point in time, and just kind of show you where the magic happens. So that's going to be really fun. But make sure to subscribe if you're not already, so you don't miss any future content. I can't wait to talk to y'all soon. Have a great day.